This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. I'd like to please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 108 of building Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. In this issue, we're putting a bit more of the back end to use. We've got these, lights, I'm not sure, some sort of reflective something going in there on two of those. And then we've got the 05 screws to hold those in place. Two of them, so let's get two of those out. Keep that one aside for later. These are going into there. Should slot in place. One bayonet top and bottom. There we go. Yep. So that's gone in there, and we've got a screw to hold that in place eventually. There we go. One there and one the other side as well, exactly the same. And then this end piece fits onto the end of the car, as you would imagine. There's 4 screws to do that, which I shall get out of the packet momentarily. So this is going onto our rear end, which is here. It's going on bottom of that, like that, under there. So about there, a bit like that. And there's 4 screws that will go in place to hold that in place there. And then next time we get the final piece to put in place across the top there. I can't screw this in from there because it's basically facing the wrong way. So I shall get that together and then have a look and see how it looks. Yep, there we go. That's all the 4 screws in there holding that together as it should. And it's beginning to look finished. But there we go. That's another issue done. Next one is the quick one. So I shall be looking through the magazine when we do that one as well. So let's clear this out of the way and we'll start with that. So I'll see you for that very soon. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.